Who am I that the Lord of all the earth who care to know my name, who came to free my heart? Who am I that the voice that calmed the sea will look on me with love and watch me rise again? Who am I that the voice that calmed the sea will look on me with love and watch me rise again? Not because of who I am, but because of what you've done. Not because of what I've done, not because of who you are. I am flower quickly fading, here today, gone tomorrow. Wave tossed in the ocean, vapor in the wind. Still you hear me when I'm calling. Lord, you catch me when I'm falling. You told me who I am. I am yours. I am yours. Eye-opening. Eye-opening to USA and world. All good countries, family generations that support USA. But USA first. Eye-opening to USA. Then title, Ikpualu. 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 So, S-O. Then you space. Onye Uwa. Ikpualu in Igbo. Tradition and culture means to cleanse. To cleanse. Alu means sin or evil, or kind of abomination against that follows anybody. But now they say Ikpualu so Onye Uwa. Onye Uwa means in Igbo Onye Uwa and Chi. Onye Uwa Chi in English they means Chi and Chi. We have them in Igbo too. Chi. We call Onye Uwa Chi, and they are reincarnators. And some in other place they call them Rebirth. That means the physical body here, the soul that lived in the ancient time or the past souls, then came back, living in physical body. They call that rebirth. And we also call that in tradition and culture Onye Uwa. Onye, O-N-Y-E. Onye, then Uwa. U-W-A. Onye Uwa. Onye Uwa Chi. C-H-I. Chi. Reincarnator and rebirth. When you hear about Chi, the knowledge I have in tradition, Chi are your reincarnator, your rebirth. The males have their reincarnator, their Chi, rebirth. The females have their Chi, reincarnator, rebirth. The soul using the body, physical body, through using our physical body. Then Alusochi means all the wrong, all the evil, all the sin they did and committed in their past life. In their past life, all the wrong they did. Now they are given second chance to come back in the world, and fix that. And fix that. Some in the past life, the way they live in the past life, they abused many innocent. They molested many innocent. They killed the innocent, committed all kind of evil against humanity. Some of them, because of their false testimony, they are false testimony against the innocent back in the days, in the ancient time, because of hatred, being aggressive, natural wicked. Then they came up and gave a false testimony against the innocent. And that led to that person's death. In the ancient time, maybe the person was stoned to death. And some, they hang them, like hang them with rope on their neck. And some, kind of killing, and kind of evil. And some in the ancient time, back in the days, individual, all they do and all the research, to come up with all kind of weapon, to come up with all kind of gospel they will use to destroy everybody. And in the ancient time and back in the days, they have been doing that. They have their group. All they do, take the innocent land, go there, take the innocent by unaware and kill them. And most of them are rapists. Back in their old life, in their past life. And most of them, their false testimony led to families separation. Because of the lie, they gang up against a female, or they went to their husband and say, your wife, we caught your wife sleeping with another man. Then the man end up beat the wife up, beat the wife, abuse her, violence against the females. Then they send the female away. Some of them, the evil they committed in the past life. Now, they came back. They are given second chance to come back to life. You know the history you have heard in your book about the authoritarians, the dictators in the ancient time. We read them in book, and most of us, these guys, the guys and the females that did all this in the back in the days, we don't know them, but we heard about them, all they did, and the record are there. And some of the wars, the wiping away communities, countries, they did. You see the record, and see them. Now, in our present time, you don't know who these guys back in the ancient time that did all this came back in their body, like to reincarnate, came back like Rebirth and like their chi, and that energy, that soul in that body now, physical body, you don't know. Because some of them, when you watch the news, you see a country, this nation, their president, dictator, you want to command influence against anybody. And if you speak, and challenge them or question them or argue with them, next day you hear they assassinate the person, they kill the person. So most of these negative, the souls, past life, they came back to human body now to amend their ways, to change their ways. No, I see most youngsters or growing up youth, they are repeating same mistakes. And when you read Ecclesiastes, your book in the Ecclesiastes Bible, it said most stuff you see that are happening there now, they have happened in the past, but they continue to repeat same thing happening again and again. Then let's go to the real business. All worldwide, and children born newly. Ikpualu, to cleanse and wipe out all these negativities, the negative energies that came back in human body and physical world, all worldwide, all countries, families, generation, ancestries. Ikpualu, so that follows, like when you hear so, that follows the this particular person, Sochi, that came from Chi, to us, to human body. Onye, Rebirth, Ikpualu, to cleanse and wipe them out. And take all the negativities they did in their past life, now in the present world, to cleanse and wipe them out and free all worldwide. Whatever negativities following anybody, to cleanse them now and wipe them out. Back to business. to cleanse Ikpualu. I use male cow, female cows, roosters, hens, rams, you can get mother goats, all 33. 22 33 kola nuts, drinks, wine, autopsy, autopsy, magic wand, autopsy, magic wand, 22 33 kola nut drinks, all alusochi, the negativities, the sin, the evil, came back to the world in anybody, in any family. A new born that come into the world to cleanse and wipe them out. On chuku justice, aja na chuku, Nre justice, on aja namre, worldwide justice, aja nowa, truth justice, aja na ezioku, truth justice, aja na isi abanya, dreadlock hair justice. Ajana umuaka, little children teen justice. Ajana isi abanya, dreadlock justice. Then Ajana njiko di and wunye, husband that join male and females, like husband and wife in relationship in dating. All akodi akobala. Ajana uku, ajana anta higher and lower justices. All spiritual and physical justices. All Supreme Courts worldwide, Department of Justice worldwide, and USA justices. We use them. Then we include burning incense, burning sage. Cleanse and wipe them out. All alusochi, the evil, the reincarnators, the energy, the negative energies that came, making many people repeating same mistake, making many people remaining in same evil and refuse to give them up. And some already vowed they must stay this way and die that way. To cleanse and wipe them out, I use them, wipe them out and cleanse them out in the north, in the south, in the east, and in the west, and wipe them out. And I free all in the north, in the south, in the east, and in the west. All be free. All worldwide and prayer come together. We use male cow, female cow, roosters, hens, rams, you can get mother goats. All 33, 22 33 kola nut drinks, wine, and prayer, all worldwide. We stand up on all land, all ocean, all airspace. We skyrocket to sun, moon, all universe, all planets, stars, galaxy, cosmos, solar system, infinities, orbits, asteroid, heaven, earth, pot, in all foundation, science and technologies, pot. Then we use water, boil eggs, drinks, cigarette, weed, for those that smoke, all that goes into the body that are good, to welcome this prayer, their energy, their power, authorities, manifestation, healing, and free from all sin, in any way evil, inherited from past life, inherited in any way, blocking all from moving forward. We are free from them, free from all that in the north, in the south, in the east, and in the west. In conclusion, there is a place in the Bible that says, in the scripture, it says, father, mother, parents shall not suffer because of the sin of their children, and children shall not suffer because of the sin of their parents. You see the difference now? We already pulled ourselves out from all kind of past life faults, mistake, sin, evil, and free us. And moving forward. Prayer based here in USA, NATO, science and technologies, transfer to Nigeria, Africa, Europe, Asia, Middle East, American continent, USA, transfer to my country, Nigeria, transfer to all the Igbos, Igbo land, Igbos in home, Igbos in diaspora, transfer to us for free. Transfer to all hospitals, dental, psych ward, recuperative care, emergencies, transfer to all recuperative cares, transfer to Serenity recuperative care, transfer to all schools, transfer to all police, sheriff, CIA, secret service, FBI, military, Navy, Air Force, Marine, Coast Guard, Border Patrol, Custom, Immigration, transfer to all the rehab centers, the adults and the children, probation, juvenile, foster care, transfer to them. All have the copy. Transfer to all our phones, our laptop, all our science and technologies. Wherever we put our science and technologies, transfer them. Transfer to all churches worldwide. Hinduism, Buddhism, all religion, Catholicism, Catholic Church worldwide, transfer to us. Transfer into all the sports, Premier League, Champions League, UEFA, FIFA. Transfer to Chelsea men and women, and our fan. Transfer to NBA, Lakers, and other teams. Transfer into MLS, LA Galaxy. Transfer into MLB. Transfer to Los Angeles Dodgers. MLB, that is baseball. Transfer to Los Angeles Dodgers. Transfer into NFL. Transfer to Los Angeles Rams. Transfer to NHL hockey. Transfer to LA Kings. Hockey, LA Kings, transfer to LAFC. Transfer to Chivas, Mexico. Transfer to Club America, Mexico. Transfer to Club.Sanko. Transfer to all friends and well-wishers. All have the copy. Transfer into all the crafts, Freemasonries, Masons, Rosicrucians, Ikanka, Oboni, all Wicca, all practicing witchcrafts worldwide. Transfer to you guys. Transfer to all Boy Scouts, Girl Scouts for free. Transfer to all movies, movie industries, Hollywood, Nollywood, all the movie, all countries movie, their name. All the movie theaters, the Cinemark, Cinemark. Transfer to Warner Bros, Marvel Studio, and other companies. Transfer to them and moving them forward. Transfer to them for free. Transfer to all music industry musicians, artists, musicians, artists. Transfer to Onye Aka musician queen. Transfer to her. Transfer to all for free. All my friends and well-wishers, family, all the supporters, all niece, nephew, cousins, in-laws, Madiana, Ndiogo, transfer to them. Transfer to them for free. I'm moving us forward. I mentioned your name, I didn't mention your name. Transfer to you guys. Transfer to all comedy industry, all stand-up comedy in all language, in all country. Transfer to Laugh Factory, worldwide and USA. Transfer to Hollywood. Transfer to all the writers, actors, actresses, all involved in movie, the crew members, the cameramen, the producers, the directors, and the music. Transfer to all for free. I'm moving us forward. Sanko FM, Chief Priest, Peter, Odira, Nkwuaku, in Los Angeles, California, USA. Chief Priest World, Chief Priest USA. USA, USA, USA. Who is this man that comes my way? The dark one strings, they scream his name. Is this the someone they say? We set the captives free. Jesus rescue us, set us free from the chains holding us. Is there anybody out there hearing us? Set us free. Lift up your chain, I hold the key. You are free. You are free. You are free. We are free. I'm walking with my school shoes. I'm walking with my school shoes. I'm walking with my school shoes. Children, music change you. Talan tan 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 tan. I have my backpack. I have my backpack. I have my backpack with my school shoes. 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 And the scripture says, whoever that exalt himself shall be lowered, and whoever that lowered himself shall be exalted. I told you where I'm schooling, eh? And they are my school. I'm in kindergarten, the little children's school. The kindergarten, that's my school, and that's where I am. When we graduate, I start all over again. I start from the beginning. I'm in kindergarten school, little children school. That's where I am. Since college, high school, all higher education, going to be in us, CNA schools, I failed there. I've been failing there, unable to pass, unable to move to the next level. And whenever I write the board exam here in Los Angeles, in California, I continue CNA board exam. I continue to fail. I continue to fail. Many others, many that I'm smarter than them. I have more knowledge than them. They pass and move to the next level. But when it comes to my turn, they always send me a letter. You didn't do good here. You didn't do good here. You have to repeat. And at the end, I finish the third time. You have to write the board. Then sometimes I have to pay, raise money, go back to CNA school. But I continue to fail. Then I made a decision. I pull back now and went back to the lower education. And where I am now, I'm in kindergarten, where little children are schooling. I'm there answering as Omaka, a king to little children and teen. Forward.